My Whirlpool Cabrio washer keeps blinking lid lock, and when I hit start it beeps at me.
Can you guesstimate how old your Whirlpool is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Cabrio H2 low wash system between 5 and 6 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No, I am 62 years and have had knee replacements.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, it just stopped working.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. Have you tried unplugging your appliance for 5 minutes to do a hard reset yet? If unplugging is not easy to do, turning off the breaker for 5 minutes does the same thing.
I unplugged when I sent in question, just plugged in and doing same thing.
Okay, now it's the door locking or just blinking the lid lock light.
It is locking.
Okay, it locks. Now does it unlock successfully after trying not starting?
When I hit start button it beeps. I turn off a couple seconds later it unlocks.
So sadly what has happened here is your main control board has failed and is going to need to be replaced sadly. If you can get me the model number of your washer, which is on the inside of washer door area, I can pull this part up for you so you know what you are looking at in terms of cost to repair if you wish to repair this unit.
Is it cheaper buying a used machine?
Maybe, but maybe not. Get me the model number and I can pull up the part and we can have a look at whether or not it's cheaper to replace or repair. Are you still with me?
Mod WTW 550 XW3 SARE C25032209.
One moment please. So the problem with your unit is there are two parts, two boards. One is the user interface electronic control board https://www.searspartsdirect.com/part number /W1026960/0026/110.html. Model number equals WTW5500XW3 and category name equals residential %20 washers and brand name equals Whirlpool. This one below is the most likely part. The main control board https://www.searspartsdirect.com/part number /W1048001/0026/110.html. Model number equals WTW5500XW3 and category name equals residential %20 washers and brand name equals Whirlpool. Either way, as you can see, both are expensive sadly. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me. It has been a pleasure assisting you today.
Thank you. We'll put it out on the neighbor cleanup and look for another machine.
Sounds like a good plan to me.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.